So first thing first, we have to load the dataset. So let's do that. So our dataset is being uploaded. So this is the dataset which we are going to visualize. So let's click on load. So our dataset is being uploaded, as you can see. Close to 1500 rows are there. So at the right side, you can see the dataset is being uploaded. Okay, so let's first of all change the canvas background to a bit grayish. Okay, so now let's have our first card. So here we're gonna have in the fields close and aggregation as average, the average closing price. Okay, so now let's remove the category label, switch on title, average closing price. Okay, making it Arial black. Okay, uh, okay, let's increase it. Switch on shadow. Let's have it white. Okay, let's have it white. All done, I guess. Right, or just a second. Arial black. It has to be. Let's reduce it. Okay, you can have it white as well. Hmm. In the title, we can have black in the center. Okay, so now let's clone it. So in the next card, we can show volume and total sum of it. Total trading volume. Okay, and in the next card, I can have closing price, highest closing price, maximum. Okay, so yeah, so let's build our first visualization after these cards. Let's showcase. Uh, okay, so you can see the stock price trend over the time. Let's change the title. Okay, and let's change the color. Let's switch off titles, switch off values over here as well. Okay, okay. So now let's have another visualization, which is going to be column chart. So date we already have. Let's have volume, and it's gonna show trading volume. Okay, and in the line Let's have white. Okay. So now let's have, okay, area chart now. And for area chart, I'm going to depict high and low both and average of it. Okay. Now changing the color. Let's have it grayish. Okay. So now let's add a slicer. Showcasing. Okay. Let's have drop down. Okay. Now let's add another chart. Okay. Which is line and clustered column chart. Okay. Let's have it white. Let's have it black. Okay. Now it looks good, I guess. Right. So these are the core elements of our dashboard. Let's add a few PNGs to give a more aesthetic appeal. So these are the PNGs which I've already shortlisted. So okay, let's remove this. Okay, it's all done, I guess, for the most part. Let's add one more PNG. Okay, so this is a very basic dashboard which we have created. Uh, the main element is the slicer, which I've already added over here, as you can see. Okay, so, so that's it. See you in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching.